automation sessions as well. So a warm welcome again. Right. So any new joiners who joined today for the first time, who missed the session yesterday, could you please raise your hands if anyone joined for today for the first time? Okay, Arjun. Okay, right. Okay, let's start the session. Right. So let's recap, guys, like what we have discussed yesterday. Okay. So why we are here, guys? To learn and discuss about the concept called the trending concept in the IT industry called RPA, which is robotic process automation. So we discussed like from very basic level what exactly all the W based questions we have discussed almost right yesterday. So first of all, a robot. So generally, everybody think like robot means it's a kind of a physical robot, right? But here in this RPA, it is not a physical robot, which we cannot feel or which we cannot touch it, which we cannot see it. Okay, it's just a piece of code. Wherein I used to go, giving the corporate trainings and collaborated with the multiple training academies in terms of government and all. I used to go to colleges as well. So many students used to enroll for this course when they see this name called robotics automation and all. So when I went for the first time, like minimum 300 to 400 students will be there. So once I entered in, they will look for the robot as well. Where is this robot? Where is this robot? So when I say no, boss, it is just a kind of a software which we cannot able to see or touch that robot. Then they'll be feeling very disappointed. So from the time, for the first point, I'll say, it's not a physical robot. It's just a software. Okay, which we can install and download and install for free of cost in our machines for lifetime access. Okay, right. So process means, guys, as I have told you, some sequence of steps, some protocols will be there. So in our day-to-day life, as I have told you, transferring the money, booking some ticket, booking some product in Amazon. So there will be some kind of steps will be there. In the same way, in IT industry also, every day we used to, go through multiple processes. Such kind of repetitive manual processes are doing by the human beings from long time. So to automate, to handle such kind of scenarios, we don't need human beings, guys. Okay, we can just replace such kind of human beings with this RPA robots, so that mainly it will be very advantage for the companies for cost cutting, productivity will be getting increased, and zero errors, and it will work for 24 by 7 and accuracy, right? These are the most advantages. Okay, so we're going to learn nothing about the RPA. RPA is just a definition. So in this RPA, total 50 plus tools are available in the market. All these tools are professional certified tools. In UiPath also, we have both free certifications are there as well as paid certifications are also there. So we have a concept called here UiPath Academy. Okay, UiPath Academy. From that website, we are going to start our certification. Okay. So today I can like help you all to initiate to kickstart with the academy certifications also. We have a certification called RPA Starter. Okay, which will take just 1 hour of time so that if once you completed that, you will get some certification as well, and wherein you can put that certification name also in your resume that you have like completed the RPA starter training. Okay. In that starter, again, like whatever we have discussed yesterday and today, they'll just repeat the same as well, but you will get the certification. And so many people used to ask me, "Hey Raghu, I am taking certification from RPA Vault. Will you provide any certification?" So, guys, if I provide certification, is it really helpful for you? Will it be, recognized by anyone or everyone? Or if you get any certification from directly from UiPath Academy, will it be helpful? Will it, if it is from Academy, then only it will be helpful, right? So I cannot provide you any certification that you took the training course from RP World. Maybe I'll plan something in future, but as of now, we don't have. But if you do anything from academy, definitely it will be helpful and useful. Okay. So are we ready to start the first certification today?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So for that, I'll just give you all one referral link, okay, in the WhatsApp groups, so that you can all access that link and you can able to, you know, kickstart your downloading the your path and preparing the certification and many more websites also we have. Every day we are going to deal with docs.uipath.com, wherein official product documentation portal. Hey Raghu, every day you are giving some concept, some session concept, but we are not satisfied with the session. We need some more theoretical concept. How can we get that? If you open this website, you will get that product, documentation portal. Okay. And then we have forum.uipath.com. So guys, this is if you are Java developer or .NET or Python, any programming language, if you got stuck somewhere, you're not able to move next, you need some line of code which you are not able to, write the code. So from where you will take the help. Of course, nowadays you have ChatGPT and all, but previously we have a website. Can anyone have any idea? What is that? From there, so many people will used to go and fetch the code. Couple of
Stack
websites
Overflow.
will be there. Right. Stack Overflow. What does it mean? Wherein so many people used to share some code. They'll publish some code and others can search that and they can use that code from the repository or from that particular website. In the same way, this forum.uipath.com is nothing but a community forum wherein all over the world globally all the developers, whatever, if they learned something, if they achieved something, they'll write as an article, they'll publish that line of activity or that line of steps along with some screenshots, so that in the real time also whenever you guys stuck somewhere, you can just go through this particular forum.uipath.com website, so that it can be helpful for you to clear your activities or any theoretical concept if you may stuck somewhere. Okay. Mm. So we have another website called marketplace.uipath.com wherein some of the packages might not be available from the studio sometimes, and some applications, connectors, dependencies, and all sometimes it will be available in marketplace. So how to get that, uh, that connector packages and all, we'll discuss in the coming classes. So generally, these are the main important, 5 to 6 URLs where we are going to use very regularly from today. Okay, and UiPath is going to provide a free cloud account, guys, for all of us. To log in access for all the UiPath infra setup components, generally UiPath will give you for a free cloud account for all of us. Okay, right. So, so as I have discussed yesterday, so many RPA tools are there. In that one, the top trending tool is UiPath. Nowadays, a bit competitive tool for UiPath, which is Microsoft Power Automation Desktop and Cloud. That's why in our RPA Vault, I am going to teach these three along with agentic automation as well. Okay. So these four concepts we are going to discuss in our session. Okay. So in this total 45 days of session, in this total 45 days of session, so the actual session will start from coming Monday. If you all are available tomorrow, I'll keep you posted in case whoever joined and confirmed, by end of the day, if you all are available for tomorrow, even I'll take the session tomorrow morning as well for the first week, right? If you all are available. Okay. Tomorrow morning also I'll take if you all are available. Okay. Before that, I'll create the poll and get the confirmation then only. Okay. So session will be from 7 a.m. to 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Every day class will be 2 hours of time. Okay. So maximum the sessions will be weekdays, Monday to Friday, Saturday, Sunday will be holiday. So that you guys will have more time for practice. Because every day, discussing 2 hours of session means you guys will have so much of work to do for practice. Okay. So live interactive sessions, guys, it's not a recording sessions. So as some trainers in the market, they'll just play some recordings, but it's not like that. I'll be the only trainer, certified trainer, who going to teach you all the UiPath sessions. So guys, total after 120 days of sessions, the trainings, the recordings will be expired automatically. Okay. And then fee structure, as I have told you, the actual cost is 20,000 ANR. Okay. But as of now, we are giving the offer of 3,000. So the cost will be 16,999. Okay. And everyday class will be 2 hours and 1 to 2 hours of time. You all need to invest on doing the certification and 1 to 2 hours on practice. Then only you guys all from different backgrounds, if you have huge career gap and all, whoever want to put some experience, those all through 3 to 4 years or 2 to 4 years of experiences, we can able to cover in 45 days. Okay. Right. So guys, nowadays, so along with this UiPath and Power Automation Cloud and Desktop, so total guys here, out of maximum you guys will get 32 sessions. Okay. So per day, 2 hours of time, right? Into 2 hours. So total, you all will get minimum 60 to 65 hours of content. Okay, total 60 to 65 hours of content. Okay. Right. In that one, 25 to 26 sessions on UiPath, 2 sessions on agentic automation, 2 sessions on Power Automation Cloud, 2 sessions on Power Automation Desktop. Okay. So here, Raghu, can we able to cover everything in 2 days in for Power Automation Cloud, 2 days for desktop? So as you already spending good amount of time on your path learning, definitely it will be very easy to learn this cloud and desktop applications. Okay, I may not able to teach you every point like your path very in depth, but definitely you guys can able to get that much of confidence, and even you can put those some of the projects on three technologies like three UiPath and Power Automation Cloud and desktop. Then only nowadays candidates can able to get more interview calls to be scheduled. Okay.
Raghu,
Yes.
any certification support provided for Power Automate as well? Sorry.
Yes, absolutely. I can able to give you support as well for Power Automation Cloud and desktop also, and even I can help you in providing some terms as well. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
So in for Power Automation, we have like PL 300, 500, 700, something. Okay. For for these also, RPA Vault can able to provide you the support as well. Okay. Right. So other than this, we have guys automation anywhere, Blue Prism, TrueBot, different tools are available. But nowadays, hey Raghu, then why should we choose only UiPath? Why not automation anywhere? Why not Blue Prism? Of course, you can learn any technology, any RPA tool. Nothing wrong in that one. But how about the jobs? For example, you're trying to learn which is very easiest tool in your RPA tools, which is automation anywhere. You can just learn in 7 to 10 days of time. But if you learn, you spend good amount of time investing on learning. Then how about the job, guys? Definitely jobs also should be there, right? If you just open Naukri, LinkedIn, all the job application portal websites and just go and search how many jobs are available for your path and automation anywhere and Blue Prism. So you guys also can able to understand that what is the present job market. Okay, you can also search in link yeah, ChatGPT and all different applications as well. Okay, so easiest tool to learn is automation anywhere, guys. But the more opportunities are for UiPath and Power Automation. Okay, so some W-based questions. So this UiPath came into the picture in 2005, but became very much popular and most availability from 17 to 2018. The CEO, Daniel Dinis, he's a Romanian from Bucharest. So headquarters is in USA now. In India also we have in Bangalore. And advantages I have discussed. Even disadvantages are also we do have that no update should be there, no dependency, no human intervention. Always data should be in same static format. These are all the different disadvantages. And nowadays, the most common and powerful industries implementing this RPA bots in their organizations, which is mostly banking and insurance industries, healthcare, manufacturing, retail, logistics, HR, finance, telecom, food and nutrition, lifestyle, apparels. Okay. So different technologies, guys. Different industries implementing this RPA bots. So after you joining in the company, if you join for any consulting service based company, we don't know what type of industry you are going to support for. Okay. If you are working for product based company, you will work only for that product. But if you join for service, You might be work for any type of industry, any type of client, any type of automation, you should work. So if you don't know what is the difference between product and service based company, so please get some knowledge today. Okay. Right. Clearly discussed about all the details. And so many people thought like all these RPA tools are testing tools. If it is a testing tool, definitely they will call as a testing tool only, right? Then why are they calling as an RPA? So definitely it's not a testing tool. If somebody asked you, somebody is telling you, hey, it is a testing tool means then don't agree for that. Okay? Because it is a complete development tool. Testing means simply whatever the application is going to be live in future, that is called testing. Now here what we are doing already the application is in live. We are just automating that. Even in RPA, UiPath also we have test automation, guys. Robotic process automation, robotic test automation will be there. So in coming, maximum 1 to 2 weeks of time, even I'm going to launch RPA UiPath test automation as well separately for the testers who are having testing background. That will be very helpful if you want to become an UiPath test automator. Okay, that we will use separate infra setup and all. Uh, that also I'm going to launch in the coming sessions. And in the last week already we have launched exclusively Power Automation Cloud and Desktop from RPA Vault, along with Azure Microsoft data engineering sessions also. If you are anyone interested or any of your friends, relatives are interested in learning, please refer them. Okay, right. So as I have told you yesterday, the basic components in UiPath is Studio, Robot, Orchestrator. Orchestrator. Yesterday already you guys are have just gone through how the studio looks like and get some knowledge, right? What is the interface? And we just saw some 3 to 4 sample example activities as well, right? So today we'll discuss about the remaining components as well. Okay. Before that, so far any questions, anyone? Are we good so far? Right. Before that, as part of the curriculum, why the companies are paying high salary jobs for RPA? What is the difference between software engineer versus consultant? Why we are calling as a consultant? After you joining in the organization, what will be your roles and responsibilities? What clients and companies are expecting from you? So many questions will have this doubt. Hey, Raghu, I don't know anything about IT industry. I haven't even been to one day also. Like what exactly looks like, what you guys all do in IT industry. A very sincere doubt from long time. So every day the client will going to assign some tasks for us, and they will keep do follow-ups as well. You will have one call in the morning that we call as a we will have one stand up call in the morning and we will have one stand up call in the evening, status call. So every day, what exactly the plan you are going to do today? What is the development activity today? What you have done yesterday? Show the demo. What is the plan for tomorrow and next week? So total 2 months of time. Are we going to complete this project within next 2 months of time or not? So these kind of discussions will happen mostly. Right. First of all, software engineering. మా ఉమ్, అయ్యో చూద్దాంలే నాన్న క్లాస్ అయ్యాక నేను చూస్తా ఓకేనా ఎవరికి చెప్తావు Hmm, hmm. Right. So, guys, what is software engineering? In your academics, in your career, already you might have the subject if you are from computer science background and all, software engineering. You might have heard about the word called SDLC. So, can you help me? What is the full form of SDLC?
Software
Software
development.
development
Software
life
development
cycle.
life cycle.
Right. So, what does it mean, guys? What will we have? Hmm?
So, how a software needs to be developed from scratch till the handover or the maintenance is followed through a series of steps, and it is defined through this life cycle.
Excellent. If you want to start something, definitely what we need, guys, we need some proper plan, some budget, some timelines. If you don't have any of this plan or budget or timeline or anything, proper manpower, then you may not able to achieve that plan properly on time. For example, I want to construct a five-story building, but I don't have proper foundation. Can I able to, complete that? No. I don't have proper raw material. I don't have proper approvals. I don't have manpower. For example, I have going to give that proper contract to a builder, but I did not assign any timeline for that builder. Then what they will do? They'll keep on doing the extension. Array, sorry, miss, this is what missing. This was missing. They'll come up with excuses. But if you put some timeline, I need at any cost in 1 year. Otherwise, I cannot pay you. Then definitely the beautiful product will come out. Right? In the same way, in IT industry also, guys, from scratch to end, what will be the general RPA life cycle? How to achieve that proper, beautiful automation product after the 30 days or 60 days or 1 month, or if it is a long-term project, 6 months of time sometimes. So generally, in software engineering, we have a methodology called waterfall. Anyone have any idea what is waterfall method?
So it works in a series, like usually it goes through a design phase where we'll capture all the details of what exactly is the software for. And then it goes for development, testing, unit testing, and then handover. So, yeah.
Right, right. But still, nowadays, are we using this waterfall methodology?
No, no.
No, because it is not, very productive for the developers or testers because one team works on it and the other team is sitting idle. So we go for agile.
Excellent. So, guys, nowadays we are following agile methodology. So, what is this? Here, Raghu, we don't know anything about all this. We are listening for these words for the first time. So, guys, previously, maximum like 10 to 15 years before and all, we have a waterfall model. What does it mean? It is kind of a some failure model. Of course, it's not a failure, but we are not using it. What is the drawback of that? So previously, if you remember in our childhood days, in my childhood days, we don't have, of course, even keypad mobile phones also at least like up to our, 10th to intermediate. So we have like keypad mobile phone. What is the drawback for the keypad mobile phone and the smart mobile phone, guys? What we can do with smartphone?
Within one click, we can go to navigate to the option which we need. But in keypad, it is not the case. We have to do multiple clicks and then we have to go.
Of course, that is one advantage. Another one, what will be the lifetime for the keypad phone and the smartphone? If you have the keypad phone, maximum lifetime will be 2 to 3 years or 4 years or 5 years. But in that one, the drawback is which you cannot update for the next version. But nowadays, all human beings, we need updates. Today's news will be the older one for tomorrow. If you observe in your smartphone, which you purchased 3 to 4 years before and you installed WhatsApp, and every week, at least 3 to 4 days, you are getting one new updated version. And automatically it will update in the background. But in the keypad mobile phone, can you able to do that? No. That is a drawback. Your old model remote control games, your old model TVs, your all old model, watches, all electronic gadgets and all your automobiles, cars, vehicles and everything. It's not smart. It is just, once the product comes out, you cannot update it, right? So previously the waterfall model, what we can do, which we cannot update once the product comes into the market. But this agile methodology is not like that. You can keep on doing the continuous updates on the existing product. So you no need to even uninstall and install the WhatsApp again and again to get the updated version, right? Even your data also won't get affected. That's the reason nowadays we are using agile methodology in the real time. But in for RPA, some companies will follow agile, some companies won't follow any life cycle. Why? Because I'll explain. Okay. So generally, if the company following agile methodology, what will be the life cycle? Okay. So first of all, let's discuss about the example. Myself, Raghava. I'm a senior software engineer having 8+ years of experience on Java development. Okay, I'm a Java developer. I'm working for the company called Cognizant. I'm working for the client called Johnson and Johnson, J&J. So what type of client it is, guys? Johnson and Johnson. What they will deal with?
Elevators mostly.
Okay, elevators
Life
also
science.
and
Life science.
life sciences. They'll it's a product-based company. They'll deal with products which we are going to helpful for the born babies mostly, right? Healthcare, life sciences. Okay. So they want to they want to launch a mobile application and they want to launch some product payment gateway also. So, so we are working for the company, which means my payroll company is Cognizant. It's a consulting company, and I'm working for the client called Johnson and Johnson. Okay, or simply, I'll say, if you're getting confused, I'll come up with some basic example. Meta. So, what are all the companies owned by Meta, guys, nowadays? What is the most important some applications we are using nowadays?
WhatsApp,
WhatsApp.
Facebook, Instagram.
Right. FB is nothing but Meta and then Insta, right? So, who is the CEO? Mark, right? Now, we are the team of total 30 members. Okay. Our total Java team members are 30 members. And the project timeline is 30 days timeline, or you can say duration. Okay. I won't take much time just to make you understand what is the differences between what will be your roles and responsibilities generally in IT industry for RPA consultants. Duration 30 days. So Mark Zuckerberg gave the requirement for all the developers that, hey, Raghuvan team, in WhatsApp as of now in India, we don't have the payment option. It is becoming more popular for GPay and PhonePe. Everybody using those applications for transactions. Then why don't we launch this payment gateway for WhatsApp also? I don't know what you guys do. I'm giving you 30 days of time, and you all 30 members, please use the time and please complete this particular WhatsApp payment option in 30 days. Then immediately our requirement is clear from the from the client side. So now immediately what our 30 members will do, guys, first of all, what we will have, we have a Scrum Master as we are following the Agile methodology. Okay, we have a sprint plan. We will divide the total project plan into 15 days plus 15 days. First 15 days for, you know, feasibility checking, applications confirmation, technologies, date, delivery, budget, everything, development or some documentation part, and remaining 15 days for testing, deployment, monitoring, releasing the beta versions, and all will happen. Okay, so we will have project delivery manager. Okay, project delivery manager, project reporting manager will be there. Okay, we have business analyst will be there. Okay, in the team, we have solution architect will be there in the team. Okay, leads, developers, testers, deployment, go live team will be there. Okay, support, hypercare team will be there. CR team will be there. Change request team. Okay, so total guys, 30 days of plan. We have a scrum master, we have one delivery manager, one reporting manager, two business analysts, we have two architects, we have three leads, we have 15 developers, we have four testers, we have two go live team, four support team, two development. Total we have 30 members of team. Okay. So every day in the Scrum call, status call in the morning, all these people will join in a high level. Okay, guys, so what we are going to do? Okay, solution architect, what are all the technologies we are going to use to develop this? What's the payment option? What will be the high level solution you are going to announce? Business analyst, please collect the proper requirement gathering from the client, how exactly the payment application looks like, what are all the options they want to put in laptop and in mobile phone, how the UI should be, everything should be documented, and they should get the proper approval from the client, so that business analyst will take care of documentation part and collecting the requirement gathering. And once approval done, they'll give it to leads. Then the leads will assign the tasks to the developers. Then based on the documentation, developers will start development. And once development completed, they'll give to the testers. Then testers will test it, and then it will move after getting the proper approvals for testing. They'll move to the production, go live. This is what generally happen on a high level. Some changes are also will be there from company to company, but this is how it will works. So here, what is happening, guys? They're going to develop, launch something which is not existing. They're going to create something new. That's why they are software engineers, right? It's a group of hard work, teamwork. Total 30 to 40 members will be there. All this together, working together, then only the successful, beautiful product application is going to come out within a timeline. Now here, coming to consultants. What is the meaning of consultant? Can anyone have any idea? What is consultant? Why we are calling as a consultant?
Um, Consultants are basically, they're part of Center of Excellence team. They carry the product or the technical knowledge of a specific software or a product, where they come in for a very short time to improve the product or improve the process.
Right.
So
Excellent.
we can say they are solution providers or
Hmm.
problem finders and then solution providers.
Right. Great. Okay, I'll explain, guys, in terms of RPA, how the consultants will play the key role in terms of RPA life cycle. Just give me a second. Okay. Right. So guys, what is the meaning of a consultant? So, so our designations will be generally for the software engineers, guys, when you join in a company, your designations will be kind of associate trainee for the freshers, software engineer. Okay. Senior software engineer. And then you have like leads, architects, so and so, so and so designations. For our RPA consultants, the designations will be consultant, associate consultant, senior associate consultant, principal consultant, lead consultant. Like that, designations will be there in your offer letters. So what does it mean? Why we are calling as a consultants? What will be your roles and responsibilities after you joining in the company? Okay, right. Again, one more example, guys. So I'm Raghava. I'm a principal consultant having 11 plus years of IT experience on RPA. So I'm working for the client called, so my payroll company, for example, Wipro. So I'm working for the client called Citibank. Okay, banking industry. So in this Citibank, total there are 100 plus manual processes they are working from last 20 plus years. Okay, 20 plus years they have so many manual processes. Now they want to automate one by one application. So they have contacted Wipro to automate all their applications one by one, one by one. So I am working for Citibank and I have joined in Citibank for the client. So my manager, for example, Rahul, RPA manager from Wipro. Rohit, manager from Citibank. Okay. Don't get confused, guys. Concentrate here, please. Put your mobile phones on silent mode. Concentrate so that you guys can take the decision. And here, Raghava, RPA consultant. So first of all, what will happen? So on a high level, Rahul and Rohit, both the managers will discuss. Hey Rahul, I am Rohit. I am from Citibank, working in 20 plus years experience in Citibank. So we are going access every day, 100 plus manual processes from long time. So we heard about this automation. We want to save so much of time and manpower. So please help us in automating our applications. Then Rahul will say, yeah, absolutely, Rohit. Definitely, I can help you in automating all your applications. So I'm introducing you, Raghava, our RPA consultant, who work with you from tomorrow. Please help him in explaining the manual processes so that he can help you in automating your existing manual processes. Then immediately, what I'll do, guys, I'll connect with Raghava, will connect with Rohit. So who is Rohit here, guys? SME as well. Product owners, subject matter expert, because he's having huge experience on that product. You know each and every option in that application. He know what is the main critical application, which application they want to start, but he doesn't know anything about RPA. So first of all, whenever they are explaining me the manual process, I'm going to collect the requirement gathering. First of all, we should record the manual steps, whatever the subject matter expert explaining me. In the first call, I'll do recording and I'll go through the recording couple of times. Why we need to go through to understand the functionality of the application, so that we need to check the feasibility. So we have some check marks will checklist will be there and some best practices will be there. In the feasibility only, we will confirm with the client whether can we do this process automation or not. Yeah, whether can we do this process automation or not. Is this correct candidature or not for the automation or not? Okay. So in this feasibility, whatever the subject matter expert explained the manual process, we will understand. Okay, this is what total 100 steps are there. No human dependency, no decision making for the human being. It's a complete straightforward step by step process from step 1 to step 100. Then definitely we can able to automate that particular manual process. Okay. And then I confirmed with the client, hey boss, I understand the process requirement and I even have checked the feasibility also. Yes, definitely we can able to do this process automation. And then we should start documentation. So who is going to prepare the documentation? You only, because you only know the steps, no? So you are going to prepare the BRD, business requirement document, process definition document, some people will call the same, solution design document, technical design document, exception handling document, Mm. cutover plan, presentations, all this document, different documentations we are going to prepare. Okay. I will give you the format, how to prepare, how to collect the requirement gathering and all. So once you prepare the documentation, we will send to Rohit. So sorry, yeah, Rohit. So that Rohit will go through the document, whatever he explained the manual process, he will just validate whether did they captured each and every step correctly or not. So that what is as is process, which means as of now currently what is the manual process they're following, what is to be process. We're going to do with the bot. Okay. And then once we got the approval for the documentation, yes, Raghu, I have gone through the steps, everything you captured correctly. I'm giving you the approvals. Please go through the next step. What will be the next step, guys? Development. So who is going to do the development? You only. You are the technical guy who is going to do on the studio, robot, orchestrator by using all the UiPath components. We are going to do the development. And then unit testing, yourself doing the testing, and then quality check with the client. Quality check with the client. And then once testing completed, what we will do? Go live, which means deployment, production. And then we should monitor also the robots for at least for 2 to 3 weeks of time, whether robot is able to do the happy path, whether is it able to handle all the business exceptions and system exceptions or not. And everything is good, then we will submit the process to hypercare team, which means support guys. So that support guys will go through the documentation. If anything comes up a issue in the production, they will able to support it. And then change request. In future, if any enhancements, any new changes comes up in the application product, so that based on the requirement, we need to do the changes, updates. So here, what you have understood, differences between software engineer versus consultant. Why companies are paying you high salary jobs. Can anyone please explain?
So here we are not creating any new application or any new
Excellent.
feature.
Excellent. Excellent. So if you observe, guys, your roles and responsibilities a bit more ahead, in this consultant job. I'm not like saying this is the same process in all the companies. In some companies, they do have already some team structure. Team members will be there. So you are going to join as one of the team member. So you will be the developer. So you have solution architect, you have business analyst, you have testers, you are the developer, and you will have some support team as well. In some companies, you should join as an independent contributor. Independent contributor. IC roles, we call it as IC. What does it mean? In interview, they will ask you, hey, what you have done previously? So you should say, I worked as an independent contributor with the client who handled all the RPA life cycle from scratch to end myself. So that definitely that company will hire you because you know each and every life cycle. You know how to collect the requirement gathering, you know how to check the feasibility, you know how to do the documentation. Every life cycle you have already knowledge. Okay, so I'm saying you guys that I will train you all to get complete learning about the complete RPA life cycle. So what are all the best practices in this life cycle we should follow? While collecting the requirement gathering, what are all the questions we should ask for the client so that then only it will be helpful for your feasibility checking. So is it correct candidate or not? If you implement this automation, what are all the advantages will be get benefited for the client? So you should come up with some numbers. Manual time, 3 hours. After automation, 30 minutes. For per transaction, you are saving 1 hour of time. Total 100 transactions per day. Total 100 hours. Monthly, these many hours. Quarter, these many hours. Yearly, these many benefits. First year, invested this much amount, this much of benefit. So for the first year, initial investment cost will be very high. Second year, third year, fourth year, they will keep more getting more benefits, more advantages. Because for second year, third year, fourth year and all, no development required, only support charges. Only they should just need to keep on renewal the licenses cost. That's it, and support cost. Infra setup cost, developer cost, all these costs will be reduced from the next year, right? Mm. So that's why we call as an RPA consultants because you are going to play as a consultant. So generally to make better understanding, you know, real estate consultants, automobile consultants, right? So what real estate guy will do? Why we calling as a real estate consultant? What does it mean? He will be act like as a mediator between the landlord and the end user, right? Here I'm a consultant. I'm acting as a mediator between our RPA payroll company with the client. Payroll is Wipro, client is Citibank, right? So what I'm doing here, what real estate guy will do? First of all, based on his experience, he will go and do some market research and then he will invest some huge amount, for example, 1,000 rupees on particular land. He know already if he invest whether, you know, will it be selling as a, you know, hotcakes or not. So he invest 1,000 rupees and he will do some marketing. He will provide some amenities and all, and then he will start selling the land to the end users. He will purchase on a bulk from the landlord. He'll do some amenities and all, you know, marketing, advertising and all. He will sell for 2,000 rupees. That is his business. So he'll explain for the customers, hey, if you purchase here, airport for 2 kilometers, hospital in 3 kilometers, schools and all, he'll explain what are advantages. So the customers will attract and they'll invest. He will act like as a mediator between landlord and the end user. Here you are also the same. You will be the responsible as an independent contributor to handle the client completely on your shoulders. So that because here we are not going to develop something new, guys. Already everything is there. You are just understanding the steps, and we are training those set of manual steps to the robot by understanding the product knowledge and functionality of the application. That's it. Okay. So I'm not like saying again, this is not the same thing in every company. But in interview, if you say that I have experience as an independent contributor, then definitely companies are ready to pay you high salary job. Believe me or not, there are so many projects in the pipeline, guys, for RPA, but there are no proper manpower available in the market now. As it is a very recent technology, latest technology, not like a Java, .NET or Python, which is from long time. These are like were from very recent time. That's why they're still looking for the proper manpower and they are having huge pipeline in the, you know, for in the market. Right. I hope you all understood what will be your roles and responsibilities and why we are calling as a consultants, right? At least you can
Yes.
have some decision like, okay, so what we are going to do after joining in the company. Okay, right. Now let's look into our academy.uipath.com website, wherein we are going to become a professional certified developers. Okay, academy.uipath.com. And it will listen. It will listen. Okay. So guys, here, let me log in first of all. Here you need to sign up as you don't have the account. I do have a couple of accounts so that I can help you in showing my certifications. Here, Raghu, you are saying you have these many certifications. How can I believe you? Is it trust or fake? Right? You might have that doubt. So guys, when I'm going started learning this UiPath in 2017, almost 9+ years ago. Okay. At the time, we have only very limited activities, 60 to 70 activities available in studio, and only three certifications are available. Orchestrator, the studio like associate and advanced developer, and something related to the business analyst. So here, guys, this is my profile. Okay. And here, my academy, my achievements. So total here in Academy, I have completed 58 certifications, which I have completed the first certification in the year 2017, which is on SAP automation. Okay. So you guys also can complete all these achievements and so that you can able to store and you can able to see your certifications as an achievements in your portal. SAP automation using UiPath in 2017. Okay, so like that, I have Andy Odile 92. Hmm? Ah. Right. So guys, see here how many certifications are that I have done in 2017, orchestrator, diploma, advanced level, get started with RPA development, 2018, 2019, 2020, 21, 21, 24, 24, 25, 25, 25. So these are all the some free certifications I have done from Academy. Okay, these are all my achievements, guys. Now, what you are guys going to do today? Okay, I'm going to give you some referral code to all of you so that you guys please access that referral code and then please sign up with the account. I'll guide you step by step, no problem. In that one, first of all, please click on learning plans. Okay, everybody, please click on learning plan and please select English here as part of the training program. Total, you'll get 35 results. In this one, if you scroll down, you have the certification called RPA Starter. So, Explorer. Yes. See here, guys, automation starter. Total 4 courses are there. If you click this one, total it will take 6 hours of time, but we don't need to do 6 hours of time. Okay, just click on learning plan structure. Okay, see here, introduction to automation, which will take 1 hour of time to complete and which will take total 2 modules we have. So guys, please today by end of the day, please complete this 1 hour of lesson. Please start and complete this 1 hour of training by end of the day. Okay, so what they're going to do, everything whatever I have discussed, they also will do the same. They'll explain. It's kind of recap for you. So here in the academy, after this, which certification we need to start, I'll explain in the coming paid classes. which is going to be helpful for all of you. So here, as going to give you for free of cost, in every 1 hour or 2 hours or 3 hours of lesson, they'll give you 40 to 50 minutes of video. So they'll explain about the product and all. At end of the lesson, you will have one exam with multiple choice question. After every 1 hour of exam, you will have 10 to 15 Q&As. Out of that, you should get 70% of pass percentage minimum. And if you get failed, no problem. You can have a retake. You can retake the exam until unless you passed, then only you will get the certification. Okay. So now I'm going to give you all that referral code to install the to log in for this uipath.com. Okay. Profile. Hmm. So guys, as I have told you, this is the forum.uipath.com website, wherein you can go and search your queries and you can connect with all the fellow developers across the globe. Okay. So guys, even if you spend 5 minutes of time on the UiPath forum, it will be counted. Okay. If you are very good at providing the solutions, once you get some hands-on experience on the subject, you can also give some solutions from the forum. You will get rewarded. Every month they will release product champion leaders for the top 25 members across the globe, and they'll give some product free vouchers also for $300, $250, $200, 150, 50, $25, like that. They will send you the coupons also. Okay. If you provide some solution, if you read so many solutions, if people liked your solution, loved your solution, okay. So how to find those solutions, how to read those latest questions, everything also I'll explain. Okay. Now I'm going to give you all the referral link. Okay. Invite. I'll share this link with you in the WhatsApp. Please open your WhatsApp, everyone. Don't do anything. Just please keep that link with you. That's it. Copy that link. Don't do anything. Okay. So guys, this link will be for the first 10 people. Okay. So here, how many of you joined? Total 30 members, right? I'm going to give you total 3 links. Okay. So here, I hope everybody is going to access for the chat, right? You have access for the chat, right?
Yes.
So for the first 10 members, please keep this first link. Okay. 11 to 20 members. To 21 to 30. Right. So I have given you the link, guys, in the chat. So first 10 members means here I can say 1 second. Arun, Bhargavi, Chandrasekhar, Devi, Ishwar, Kumar, Ganesh, Kaushal, Lakshmi, Mahesh. Okay, the first 10 members. So now can please someone share your screen so that I can help you in accessing that link, and I can help you how to register for the academy.
Yeah, I'll share my screen quickly.
Yeah, please share your screen, Ganesh.
Yeah.
Right now you have access to the first URL, right? Okay. Okay. Meeting chat. Please open the meeting chat, Zoom meeting chat. Maybe you should minimize this Chrome browser, or let me paste it in our WhatsApp as well.
No worries, that. Yes, I can open this, right?
1 second. Let me paste this in WhatsApp chat. Okay. Okay. So now Ganesh, you
Yeah.
are in first 10 only, I think, right?
Yeah.
Huh. Open your WhatsApp, please.
I have clicked the first one, this first 10 members. So it is loading.
Right. Okay,
Yeah. So,
perfect. So guys, everyone, please follow these steps, okay? If your friends 10 to 20, if you're in last 10, then accordingly, please click, okay? You cannot access all together, guys, okay? So guys, now once you click here, it will inform you that you are invited by Raghava Tadikonda. Right. So see here,
yeah.
guys, what it is telling you, please don't do anything. Just please follow the steps. Okay. Very simple steps only. You are
Mm-hmm.
invited by Raghu 30691 Tadikonda Venkat Raghava. So what is this SSO, guys? Simple sign on, single sign on. Okay. What does it mean now? I have told you we have total 4 to 5 different websites, applications you are going to access, right? So what we need to do, instead of doing the sign up in each and every application, if you do this SSO, you can able to access all the websites with this single application, single sign on. Okay, that's the reason. Now, if you click on that accept invite, you will have this, you will get this pop up, right? So Ganesh, do you
Yeah.
have any account previously in Academy or Cloud or something?
No, I don't have.
Okay, now then please click on sign up now. Okay, everybody, if you click on that accept now button, you will get option called sign up now. So here guys, what we need to do, don't click any Microsoft or any email or something. Always better to kickstart with your Gmail accounts, because if you use your email or Microsoft or something, what will happen? After you change it the company, again you need to raise the request, so that again you need to transfer everything from your company to your personal account. Instead of that, to better having access through entire lifetime, better to go with Google account. Okay, select
So,
continue with Google and
okay.
select your official Gmail account. So everybody have minimum 10 to 15 different accounts, no? But choose your official account who remember the password of that account mostly, because you
Yeah.
need to enter the password as well. Okay. So
Yeah.
here in this step, please select your Gmail account. Please click on continue. I hope everyone is doing the same. Let's wait for 1 second, Ganesh, 10 seconds.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Others, everyone, you doing the same? Please confirm. Arun, okay.
Yeah, yes. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Still anyone facing any issue in accessing the URL? Please feel free to unmute and respond if you are facing any issue. Right, great. Okay. So now here what it is telling you guys, everything already filled. Username, your username Ganesh Power, your email account, and it is telling you authenticated by UiPath SSO. Okay, and you are invited by me. So everybody please click on accept invitation. Accept invitation.
It's
Right. So guys, now what happened here? You guys are good with the forum account. Your account logged in with your account. Now here,
mm-hmm.
see in the right top corner, G got created, right top corner. After that robot symbol, G letter. Click on that. Click on that, please. G letter.
No, I'm unable to see it. So I can see your. Yeah, this one.
Your profile
Yeah.
name.
Yeah.
That is the profile name. Okay. Now here, guys, in the left top corner in the menu bar, total 7 different options are there, right? Now
These options.
please click on the third option, Academy. On the top left side menu bar, forum FAQ, documentation, left top corner, left side. Yeah. Academy. Please click on Academy. Training.
Mhm.
Training. Please click on training. Okay. Now
Yep.
I'll guide you like which one we need to start today. Okay. As part of free demo sessions, I can help you in providing the automation starter certification directly rewarded from UiPath with your names. So here guys, first of all, you need to put some basic details. First name, last name, whatever the mandatory fields, please fill it. Right. Company, you can give RPAVault. If you're not working, give RPAVault. If you're working already, please give your name, company name, no problem.
Is this okay? Enterprise employer, yeah.
Anything you can choose, no problem. Secondary email.
Secondary email, working.
It's not mandatory. It's not
Okay.
asterisk symbol.
Okay.
It's not mandatory occupation also. Click on save details.
All right, yeah.
Right. See guys, now you got the home page. Now what I have told you where we should click to go to access the RPA starter certification, where we should click guys.
Courses, yeah.
Learning plans. If you click
Learning plans.
courses, if you click courses, it will give you more than 300 to 400 different courses on your path. But we
Okay.
are not going to do any single courses. Here we are going to do the plan. So please
Yeah,
click on
yeah.
learning plan, please.
Okay.
And select English. So
Yeah.
here guys, in everything it will be available in German and Chinese and English guys. Okay. Mostly Japanese and English. So now here, as I have told you, which one we need to start from next Monday, I'll tell you. For today, we need to do the RPA starter, automation starter. Please scroll down, go to the end, where in 6 hours, 10 minutes will be there. Right,
This one.
this one.
Wait.
Right. Please click on learning plan structure. Right. So you don't need to do the remaining second, third, fourth, just to do the first one. So please click on enroll. Please click on start. Are you able to click on start? No, right?
No, it is
Scroll
not.
up little bit, scroll up. Please first click on enroll. On the top corner, you have enroll button, left top corner.
This
Enroll.
one?
Left top corner, left top corner. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, sorry.
Again, please click on enroll now. In the down start after 1 hour. Yeah. Start now.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So guys, this is how you should do the 1 hour of program today. Okay. Just to get some knowledge, guys. To
Yeah,
get
yeah.
some, confidence levels, do the same. Okay. In the next session, I can help you in installing all the infra setup. How about the studio, robot, orchestrator, and all. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much, Ganesh, for your time in sharing the screen.
So yeah, I'll do it later, yeah. After
Mm.
this training, yeah.
Yeah, I'll do that later.
Okay, okay, thanks.
Let me share my screen. So I hope everybody has done the same. Total only 19 members has done. 20 members only so far. Naresh, Monica, Prashanti, Madhuri, Pavan, Avilash, 3rd December, okay. Kaushal, Srinivas, Nagaraju, Ganesh, Mahesh. Okay. So very few accepted, agreed. Okay, fine. So whenever you have free time, guys, please do the same steps. If you're not able to catch up, go through the recording and complete it. Okay. Right. So next one, orchestrator and assistant. So as you already know, yesterday we discussed about this UiPath Studio, right? So our next component is UiPath Assistant Robot. So see guys, this is my assistant. I call it as a robot. Okay, previously we call robot, nowadays we're calling as assistant. They have renamed it. So this is what the robot, which you cannot touch or feel it, just see it. That's it. So in this one, assistant, you will have so many processes. If you want, you can just click on run, automatically your program will run. Automation job will run. Okay, see, running less than 5 seconds. So hi all, I am attended robot from RPAVault after changes. That's it, program execution done. Yesterday we have executed the same from Studio, right? That is executing the bot from Studio. This is executing the robot from UiPath Assistant. Okay, and now let me log into the third component, which is orchestrator. Orchestrator. For that, you need to enter cloud.uipath.com. Okay, so that it will navigate you to the orchestrator page. So how to do and all accessing everything we'll discuss in the next session. Okay, I'm just showing you high level how the orchestrator looks like. You know how the studio looks like. You know how assistant looks like. Now orchestrator. Right. So guys, this is the home page for orchestrator. Okay. If you click on orchestrator, it will navigate to orchestrator. Okay, so here you can see what is this orchestrator first of all. So guys, this studio is nothing but wherein we are going to to develop or build the robots. Okay, build the automation processes. Right, from it is a kind of a development environment, IDE. Okay, so to build develop the automation processes. Assistant means nothing but to execute the processes, to execute the bots. And orchestrator means, guys, it's a web template to monitor and organize the bots. What does it mean? So in my company, there are total 100 jobs are already running in automation production. So I want to know how many are running, how many are failed, how many are successful, how many are abandoned, how many are retried, why it is getting failed, what is the reason, how I will understand. So this particular process should run on this particular machine. This particular machines for every client, they will have minimum, 15 to 20 different RDP virtual machines. In that 15, 20 machines, 10 machines are for development, 5 machines are for quality checking, testing, 5 machines are for production. So in those machines, we should allocate the licenses. So how to allocate licenses? In which machine we need to install the studio development license, in which machine quality, in which machine production, all these allocations, organizing the bots. And once the development completed, testing completed, once robots are in live production, how many bots are running, how many are failed, what is the reason, how to storage the client secure data, how to store the credentials, how to handle the queues, all these things we can do from orchestrator. So from this orchestrator only, we can able to access this UiPath agents, Maestro, and advanced concepts like AI Center, UiPath apps. You can build the UiPath apps also, guys, like using HTML, Bootstrap, Java, and all. We will create some web applications, right? Web front end pages. You can also create some web pages also using UiPath apps. Automation ops, automation store you have recently they have launched, assistant, data fabric, kind of a database. Okay, document understanding, integration services, marketplace, task mining, so many, so many latest advanced innovations, everything you can able to access from orchestrator only. Okay. so so guys, totally we have different types of licenses are there in UiPath. So we all are using which license? Community license, community edition, which is free of cost. Free of cost. What does it mean? Open source application. So download and install for lifetime free. Second one, in real time companies, we will use enterprise edition, which means paid edition. A 1 year expiry, it will expire in 1 year. Hey Raghu, what is this Raghu? We are using the free application which won't expire, but in real time they are paying, but again they are getting only for 1 year. They need to renewal every year. So you are explaining on free edition, community edition. So, and you are telling in real time we should use enterprise edition. Then what will be the difference? Nothing, no difference. All the components looks like same. But here if you observe on the home, help, here's a community license. I'm using community free. But in enterprise, you will get here enterprise license. So what will be the difference, guys? Any idea, anyone? What you will get the difference for both?
Maybe the number of bots
No,
running at
that
the same time.
enterprise will expire in 1 year. Community will it won't expire.
But what will be the difference for community and enterprise? Number of bots?
Uh,
No, is not the correct answer. Again, for a number of
Okay.
robots also, you should pay how many bots you are looking for. For each and every bot, there will be separate charges.
Any
Maybe
help user can.
unattended bot can't run in the community license, is it?
No, we can run.
Oh, okay.
They will
So
give you
what is the
2
question?
unattended robots for free of cost in community license. What will be the difference between community edition and enterprise? We are accessing this free community open source application for lifetime, but in companies they are paying a huge amount of money on the licenses which going to expire in every 1 year. They should keep renewal. What will be the difference?
Security.
Some packages,
No, security
So
also will be
UiPath,
the same.
some of the
UiPath.
packages
UiPath
machines are
will
there.
earn money from enterprises, not from us.
Simple guys, it's a support. Now, when you accessing
Okay.
this free open source application, if you get any issue, you don't get any support because you did not pay any money with the UiPath, right? You don't have the rights to create the request. But in real time, when you purchase the licenses, if you're facing any issue with the product, you're not able to do it, you're facing some application issues, then immediately you can raise the request with UiPath, then support team will get you contact within less than 2 hours of time. And in enterprise, they're recommended to use only licensed applications only, right? Everything you will use in real time, uh, completely enterprise licenses, enterprise operating system, enterprise softwares, everything enterprise only. Okay, difference understood?
Yeah. And Raghu, what about the cost for enterprise license?
So the cost will be very huge for your path guys. Previously, you have like only uh, um, cost like for some depends on the client's robots, like how many processes they have in pipeline. Some clients have 300 400 processes in pipeline and everything they want within 1 year. Some
Mm-hmm.
clients they have only 10 to 15 processes. So depends
Okay.
on the number. Some clients will purchase. We have even two types of robots guys generally. Types of robots we have. Okay, first one attended robot, second one unattended robot. So guys, attended robot means human being will trigger the robot manually, which means like how you saw that from the assistant just now I have executed the robot, right? So client will tell you, hey Raghu, please go through this assistant and please run the bot yourself every day morning 9 a.m., afternoon 1 p.m., evening 4 p.m. today, tomorrow some new times. So you should trigger this robot manually and you should monitor the job, what exactly it is doing. That is called attended robot, which means human intervention is required. Unattended means no human intervention is required. You just need to schedule the job, trigger the job. Automatically, you will schedule like in your mobile phone alarm every day morning every day morning 6:30 a.m. Please trigger the alarm. You have class at 7 a.m. So automatically every day it will ring no for weekdays. In the same way, we will schedule the jobs. So no human intervention. Once the time 7:30 auto 6:30 automatically the job will start itself. and it will complete and it will send the email also to the client. So that, so depends on the processes size and all, the clients will purchase the licenses. Some clients will take attended robot, some client will take unattended robot, some clients will purchase AA units for the document understanding. So different licenses types will be there. We have a la carte. We have like a huge documentation is also for that one, which I'll share you that documentation. Total 35 to 40 slides will be there to check that licensing cost and all, which I'll share with you in the next sessions. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Right. So we have covered almost, guys. Let me share you all my digital credentials. Okay. Hey, Raghu, you said community trainer. How can we believe you, whether you are a certified community trainer or not? So guys, once you completed the certification from Academy, the paid one or the, paid one, you will get the, now previously what will happen, you will get some physical copy to your address, like your college academics certifications, right? Then what we can do, there might be chances of doing the forgery. You will just scan your friend's document and you will edit with your name. Then how about the security? That's why nowadays everybody is maintaining the digital credentials. So what you will get? You will get the digital credential. So here I have done in 2024, and this is in 2023. If you click this one, so UiPath proudly presented to myself with the recognition of community trainer, which I rewarded on 2023. Okay, so if you click this view all credentials, you can able to access here in this portal. I have 4. In the remaining portal, I have total 4. Total 8 paid certifications I have done, which invested almost more than 2 lakhs of rupees, and the remaining all pre-certifications from Academy. Okay, so this is about my digital credentials, guys. You guys also can able to access these credentials. I have already pasted in the WhatsApp group links about my digital credentials. Whether is it correct or not, you also can check. Okay. And then I will share you one feedback link, guys. Please, everyone, take couple of minutes of time and please give your, valuable feedback. How's the session yesterday and today? So that it will be helpful for the coming batches people. Okay. I'll share that link in WhatsApp group and meeting chat as well. Okay. So how's the session, guys, so far?
Good, Raghu.
It's good, Raghu.
Yeah, it was
We're able
good.
to follow.
Thank you. So in the paid link, not in the paid link, I'll share only in this meeting chat. I don't want to give that feedback link to all. Don't want to misuse it. Whoever paid, whoever joined today, please go to the chat, 24 members, and please, are you covering SAP, Salesforce, and elaborate on real-time project covered and also agentic automation project covered? So, yeah, I have pasted one URL in the chat, guys. Please go through that link and please provide your valuable feedback, what you have understood yesterday, today with your valuable feedback and give some rating. Are you covering SAP, Salesforce projects? So, guys, as you all know, SAP is not an open source application. We should have some paid enterprise edition application software should be there. But the project which I am going to cover is on SAP automation only. Even though I cannot able to share and do some product real-time application knowledge, but I do have some video recordings are there for that project explanation. Only for that part of SAP part, I'll play that video just for I think 6 to 7 minutes of time. Salesforce also we don't have. I'll train you on ServiceNow integration. Okay, in terms of project and real-time project, I'm going to cover which is on user termination robot process, wherein it will be very challenging project in my career. That project I'll explain end to end. Even in RE framework project, I will explain couple of processes like RPA challenge program and all our bots, DNA robots. If you joined yesterday's session, Kaushal, I have explained that what are the projects I'm going to give you, some capstone projects I do have. Let me share my screen. For hands-on experience, for practice purposes, guys, some capstone projects I do have, wherein I used to use the same for college trainings and corporate trainings. I'll use the same RPA Vault content. Uh, the capstone projects. So these are all the projects I'm going to give you for the practice purposes, and along with bots DNA project websites. In that one, almost you have 10 to 15 projects total, 20 plus projects you are going to get some hands-on experience. Okay. And along with that, in RE framework, couple of projects, and in the agentic, will explain you 2 to 3 different use cases. For example, um, agent, some receptionist agent, foreign exchange currency, brokerage agent mediator. For example, I want to get the exchange amount value for Kuwait dinar or UAE dirhams. So what is the cost of that one? So if I ask robot agent, hey agent, can you get me the currency converter cost for dirhams? If you see, for example, today, dollar cost, India. So this kind of amounts I am looking for, particular account or top 50 currencies. So different use cases. So 2 to 3 different use cases I'll come up with for agentic association. Okay. Is it clear? I hope, Kaushal,
It's
what I'm
clear.
going to cover.
Just one follow-up question, if you don't mind answering.
Hmm.
Okay, so basically, there are types like, so first is API calls, the second and the highest is the decision making done by API agentic automation. So, what kind of depth are you covering in agent?
Sorry, please come again, please.
Ha ha ha. So, is it the simple GenAI use cases like content generation, summarization, and translation, all of that, or is it like a big project for agentic, like the decision making is of the multiple RPA supports we make can be called by the agentic automation, like end to end agent.
Okay. So wherein in our couple of use cases which I'm going to demonstrate, it just kind of a simple, hey, hi, Kaushal, how are you? How can I help you? I am a, professional in getting you the currency conversion rates. For which country conversion rate you are looking for, please tell me the country name, I can help you. So this kind of conversational agent, one use case. And another use case is like very simple. I want to get some top 50 country currencies. I want to get the climate in US now today in this particular state. So these kind of basic things only, because here I have, as I have told you, my sessions will join the people who doesn't know even the basics of laptops also. Up to advanced level, I'll train in 45 days. If I explain them on a high level about this agentic and all, from end to end, it will be creating confusion for them. At least if they get some knowledge, entry purposes, it will be fine. So I'll cover only those like basic kind of, I don't explain like kind of end to end decision making kind of agents. But if time permits, definitely, I can able to. It depends on time permits, Kaushal. Okay.
Okay, got it. But can you at least share the agentic automation use cases with me if possible, so I can practice on my own? Like you have the use cases for internal machine test. Yeah, in the
Sure. Sure. I have like almost best use cases with me. I'll share you. See, agentic use cases.
It's okay. No need to show me. If I just wanted to know if you could share it with me in this batch.
I'll
But
share.
that's
I'll share with you.
thank you.
Yeah. I'll share with you use cases document on agentic and as well as even in normal robotic process automation also we have documents are as well which shared by multiple top big companies what they have prepared the use cases and how they are using this agentic automation in their day-to-day life.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much. Good to know. Actually, I also know the APA part of automation anywhere now. So I want to get the similar level of expertise in UiPath. So that's the reason I asked.
Sure, sure. So guys, please take couple of minutes of time and access that link which I have shared in the chat and please provide your valuable rating and feedback. Can please take
It's a
couple of
Google
minutes.
Maps. It's a
Ah,
Google
that
Map
link
thing.
only. In that link, if you click, you will have option called reviews. Please click on reviews and please provide
That
your review.
I thought you might share.
No, no, review page only. As of now, total 147 reviews are there. Okay, Rameshwar, a lot of point means very helpful. Thank you, Rameshwar. Thank you, Varshit. So far, 2 feedbacks completed. Everyone able to access the reviews page, guys? In the link which I have pasted in the chat. Okay, 148. Thank you, Arun Karthik. All right. Now let's take some group picture, guys. If you all are okay, can you please turn on your camera so that I'll take a group picture with all of you. It will be helpful for me. If you're okay, turn on your cameras. I'll take some group picture with all of you. 22 members. Thank you, Kaushal.
Welcome.
Where you are from, Kaushal?
Mumbai.
Mumbai. Great. You're already working professional?
Not currently at this moment.
Okay.
But I do have experience.
Okay. How can I see all? Thank you, Saket. Thank you, Mahesh.
There is a view option on the top where you can click on gallery view.
Thank you. Okay, Kumar, you can please take some pictures.
Yeah, 1 second. I'm trying to.
Good to see you all faces, morning faces. Are we good, Kumar?
1 second, 1 second.
All right. Okay, so let's have Q&A session, guys. We have 12 minutes left. So any questions, anyone, please feel free to unmute and respond. So that we'll have one by one. So in terms of curriculum, in terms of practice, in terms of certification, in terms of support, as I have explained you that how our team can help you in sharing all the job opportunities across the globe. We will do share every day. We have a team. Maybe I can introduce you my team as well. Mr. Kumar, Ms. Ravanti, and Shivani. If you are there, you can please say hi to everyone.
Hi all. This is Kumar.
Shravanti, are you there? Shravanti and Shivani.
Yeah, I'm there.
Hi, Shravanti.
Hi, Raghava.
Shivani. Okay, she might left. So guys, I do have full-time, employees working for RPAVault. So it's as happy to inform you all that ours is a registered company now, wherein we are going to launch all the other trainings as well, and along with that, we are happy to have happy to collab with vendors, trainers, and the companies. We can provide outsourcing. We're happy to accept the internship opportunities, doing the real-time projects, and as we have huge number of people from our RPA vault who got trained, we are happy to give you outsourcing as well, and we are going to start soon the consulting services as well from our RPA vault private limited. That is one announcement I want to share with you all in this batch. And so these many years, 8+ years in my teaching experience, I have just covered, I just created like some bound of a kind of a boundary that wherein I just created everything in terms of automation only. So I thought like, why don't we do even launch other trending technologies as well under our RPA vault? So that's how this initiation has started, and got the thought to registered the company and everything. So, and even yesterday I have received many messages as well that, hey Raghu, everywhere we are seeing only it is kind of a job for the experienced people. How about the freshers? It's not like a kind of, we don't have any opportunities freshers like that. Even there are like more opportunities for freshers as well in this RPA, wherein we will keep posted all opportunities of like internship, freelancing opportunities, and wherein the companies are hiring for the freshers as well. Okay. Okay. Now please Q&A. Any questions? Anyone want to give any feedback? Please, you're all welcome.
Do we have any lifetime support related to jobs and
Lifetime support? Yes, absolutely. So as it hired this team to give you the support for lifetime, I'll share the our WhatsApp group, main WhatsApp groups, wherein more than like all groups are filled with 1024 members. So we have almost 6 to 7 groups are there, so that you all also can join in those groups. So that maybe Kumar, you can paste that our job openings to group link in the chat, so that they all can join in the group. Wherein we used to keep announce all our announcements like new batches details, job openings across globe, in LinkedIn, all the links, WhatsApp channels, Telegram, Instagram, YouTube. You can follow all our social media to receive all updates. And any offers from the certification part, any certified digital certified coupons are available, so that we will inform those as well in the channel, in the groups. A product life cycle, what is the latest version we are coming up with. So these kind of announcements, everything will happen from group. So as I have told you, it's not like a kind of, I'm a trainer, you all are attendees, not like that. It's a kind of interactive sessions. Because as I have told you, after joining in the company, you cannot keep on sitting for mute. Okay. Daily job updates on your path. Yeah. So our team posted a chart in the group, guys. Please access that link and kindly join in the group to receive all updates. Okay. So it's a kind of an interactive sessions, guys, mostly because in this 45 days of time, we're in the best opportunity in real time. Uh, I will assign the team leads as well. In the morning and evening, they'll keep, you know, approach you that what is the status of the today's task. For example, today we discussed Excel automation. So immediately after end of the session, by end of session, I'll give you the task on Excel automation with some use case. So you guys should complete it. If facing any issue, our team can help you in clearing. So morning 2 hours of session and evening half an hour to 1 hour of session will be there for doubt session, so that you can connect and clear your doubts as well in the evening session. Okay. So they'll be available every time, so they can help you. All right. uh, let's take a couple of feedbacks and then we'll stop. Hi, Mr. Manikanta Misala. Hi, are you there, Manikanta?
Yes, sir. I am available. I hope
Hi.
sir.
Hi. So how's this demo session so far,
Actually, it's
Manikanta?
good. I want to continue also. I'm eagerly waiting to upgrade my skill.
Great,
Actually,
great,
I wasted so much time in other trainings also, but this was very helpful and very good explanation also.
great, man. Thank you. Thanks a
Yeah,
lot.
thank you.
That's how I become a, professional certified trainer.
Yes. It's
Thank
very
you.
helpful.
Thank you. And I can see Subhanjali. Hi, Subhanjali. How's the session, Subhanjali, so far? Couple of demo sessions.
Yeah, it is very helpful, Raghava. So actually, I don't have any idea about this RPA. Now I'm little bit clear. So I'm interested to see the next sessions. So I already enrolled in the paid session also. So I hope to continue these sessions. Thanks
Okay.
for the support. Yeah.
Great. Thank you. Mohandas. Hi, Mohandas.
No, Raghav. I'm happy with the session. I
Okay,
can
great.
continue. Yeah, that's what I confirmed to the team. But it's good.
Okay. Okay.
So far.
Okay, great. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Anyone want to say anything? Anyone?
Yeah, could you please answer my question in the chat?
Chat. Okay. Great, Monica. Thank you. Are we covering multi-bot architecture and data repositories, OneDrive, SQL, SharePoint, and you mind if cover other RPA challenges, machine test use cases and automation anywhere, master use cases in UiPath, which I've already developed in automation anywhere doubt solving. So in RPA challenge, you have 3 to 4 different use cases, right? I'll try to cover, and even you have another website called RPA samples. There you have unicorn code generator and password generator and some data table something. We will cover those. And OneDrive SQL Server SharePoint, I'll try to cover might be like OneDrive application. Multi-bot architecture, I'll explain, but I cannot cover in practical. I'll explain in theoretical. SQL Server, I'll explain. Okay. in terms of database automation, how to connect UiPath Studio to database, how to disconnect, and how to write the queries and how to execute the queries in practical. I'll explain. In terms of database automation, I'll help you in installing the database and all in your machine, server management studio and all, SSMS and server. Automation anywhere use cases, I don't know. Machine test use cases, I'll explain as I have told you, RPA samples and rpachallenge.com website and bots DNA website. Right. Okay. Is it clear, Kaushal?
Okay, got it. Thank you so much. It was wonderful.
Right. Okay, so our team posted the payment link also in the group, in the chat. So who are all interested and continue to join the sessions from tomorrow. So please pay and kindly join in the paid sessions to access the paid joining link from tomorrow. Okay, we are good with the demo sessions yesterday and today. Okay, thank you all. Thank you so much again for your
So,
valuable time in joining the sessions.
Raghu, so
Yes.
will we continue on Monday onwards, yeah?
Tomorrow itself. Once the people join from this paid session, I'll create the poll. If you all are
Okay,
available tomorrow, I'll take the session tomorrow based on the poll only. Available only,
okay,
I'll
okay,
take. Yeah.
okay.
There won't
Yeah,
be a
thank you.
session on Saturday and Sunday, right?
In next week, it won't be. Only I'll take tomorrow only.
This is
Oh, matlab,
surprise. Yeah.
okay, got it.
Hmm. Right. Okay, great. Thank you, everyone. Wishing you all very best. I hope I have covered and have given my level best in terms of explaining what is this RPA, UiPath, and all. And I forget to cover some use cases like explanation on Power Automation Cloud and desktop. I'll cover maybe in the tomorrow session. Okay, what I'm going to cover and teach in terms of Power Automation. All right. Thank you. Have a great